In today's video I'm going to make my minimalist composition a little bit more interesting, and I'm going to make it with the use of shadows. I want to create various types of shadows on my still life. Using shadows can enhance your objects, and especially when you have minimalist composition, shadows can create beautiful value. In other words, only with few objects you can visually create their duplications and photo will look much fuller. So let's see how can such simple thing as a shadow influence your photography. First of all, let's prepare the composition. I want to keep it really simple and I will use tall and small objects. I will use one colored textile background in neutral color. I have some bottles here and also pomegranate. I will fill bottles with a beetroot juice because I want to have some color in the photo. Details make difference, so I will also add yellow straw. Maybe this composition is not perfect, but you will perfectly see what shadow can we create. Now, when my simple composition is ready, it's time for shadows. To create a shadow, you will need some source of light. You can use sunlight, but you will have to wait for the right time of the day. So I prefer to use some additional light. Remember that you need to ensure consistent lighting. To make a perfect photo, camera stability is the key. Use a tripod. You can achieve various lengths of shadows by holding light from the angle to the composition. This way you can create long or on the other hand short shadow by holding light above the objects. Now I will show you one trick how to make your shadow not so ordinary. And it is really simple. Use water. Just pure water. Now look what will happen when I create shadow of this bottle. It's just perfect. Let's try it also with the cup. As you can see, light is reflected through the water and on the cut glass it causes a lighting reflection. This looks really fabulous because the shadow is much more interesting. So I was thinking about my composition again and I decided to reorganize it a little bit. I will stay at minimalist concept, but I will try to use so much more creative shadows as possible. Let's use glass filled with water. I put the glass not really close one to each another because I want to enhance each shadow. I like flat light photography, but I encourage you to try also another angles. Well, I think photos are really nice, and as you can see, you can use this technique whenever you will need to get shadow to your photography. Using shadows is very popular and you can create professional looking photos also with a minimalist composition. Oh, and one more thing, I forgot to mention that when you want to soften your shadow, you can use a diffuser. This is a diffuser from my LED panel and it can well serve as a diffuser for this scene. My scene is not so big, so this diffuser will be enough. This way you can soften the light if you need to. As you can see, shadows can add some visual value to your photography. Shadows don't always have to create a moody vibes. It all depends on your composition and on the colors you use. So I hope you'll have a great day and see you in the next video.